Hey YouTube! It's been so long since I posted a video, and now I am. Part of the reason for that is because I didn't really have a camera or audio device. My webcam stopped working, but I finally just got this new digital camera which records for Christmas. I love it so much. I won't make this very long because I've got so much catching up to do and I don't want to do it in one vlog and bore you guys, but I just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and hope everything is well. Hope you guys get whatever you want. And for all of you out there celebrating Hanukkah or Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah and Happy Kwanzaa. I was actually thinking about celebrating Kwanzaa this year because a good friend of mine is, but it didn't work. Yeah, I got what I wanted for Christmas for the most part, except for some hair dye, but I'll get that. So, I don't know, it's been snowing a lot lately, which is good because it wasn't for a while. But this is such a cool kick-ass camera. I'll definitely be posting my videos now. And I just hope you guys have a safe and happy holidays, alright? Have fun. Take care.